Assalamu alaikum. There are other uses of go besides only the movement because whenever people use the word go, they only use it for let's go for a walk, I go to school, he goes to school, or something like that. But why not use it for starting something, such as go when you are ready? This also means to start something. Then, if you are continuing something, you can also say, come on, go on. Here, come on means like you are cheering up, but the go ons mean you are saying him to continue the work. Then, you can also use the word go for to describe something's cost, such as the chips can go for 10 taka each. Here, this go means price. Then, review. I'm going over the presentation now. Here, going over means you're reviewing the presentation. So, these are the uses. My question to you that where did all the cookies go? What does this go means? And that's all for today. I'm Nazmul. Assalamu alaikum.